Welcome to all students. We have already completed matter in our surrounding, that is the first chapter of chemistry. Today we will discuss some questions related to this chapter. First question is, the kinetic energy of the particle is directly proportional to. The kinetic energy of the particle is directly proportional to temperature. If we increase the temperature, the kinetic energy will increase. So the answer will be temperature. Question number 2. Which of the following will not go under sublimation? What is sublimation? The solid substance directly changes into gaseous substance without going into liquid. That is called sublimation, and the object is called sublime. So which of the following will not go under sublimation? इनमें से कौन सा सब्सटेंस सब्लिमेशन शो नहीं करेगा? आंसर इज सोडियम क्लोराइड. Question number 3. Assertion reason based question. In the following question, a statement of assertion followed by a statement of reason is given. एक assertion दिया हुआ है और उसी के corresponding एक reason दिया गया है. Choose the correct answer out of the following choices. First is, both assertion and reason are correct statement, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second, both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Third option, assertion is correct but reason is wrong. Fourth option, assertion is wrong but reason is correct statement. And the assertion is, the particle of gas intermix with each other. Yes, assertion is correct because गैस के पार्टिकल की काइनेटिक एनर्जी हाई होने की वजह से वो आपस में easily intermix हो जाते हैं. Second, reason. The intermixing of particle of two different type of matter on their own is called diffusion. This is also correct. So assertion is correct and reason is correct. Option A will be correct. Question number 4. Write the full form of LPG and CNG. LPG is liquefied petroleum gas, CNG compressed natural gas, and due to the compressibility of gases, because the gases have high compressibility, so we can store a large amount of gases in a cylinder. Question number 5. Name the two gases which are supplied in the compressed form in the hospital and homes. Answer, oxygen and LPG. Short answer type questions. Question is, when a solid melts, its temperature remains the same. जब एक solid को आप heat करते हैं, then its temperature remains same. So where does the heat energy go? तो ये हीट एनर्जी जो आपने सप्लाई की है ये कहाँ जाती है? आंसर, द हीट एनर्जी सप्लाइड इज यूटिलाइज्ड टू ब्रेक द बॉन्ड्स बिटवीन द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर. सॉलिड के पार्टिकल्स में जो बॉन्ड्स बने हुए होते हैं, द हीट एनर्जी इज यूटिलाइज्ड टू ब्रेक दिस बॉन्ड. देयरफॉर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द सॉलिड डज नॉट चेंज टिल ऑल द सॉलिड मेल्ट्स. Question number 7. Why a doctor advised to use a ice pad on forehead to bring high fever down instead of using water at 0 degree Celsius? डॉक्टर एडवाइस क्यों करता है कि आप आइस क्यूब रखिए इन द प्लेस ऑफ वाटर एट 0 degree Celsius? आंसर देखेंगे. A doctor uses an ice pad to bring fever down instead of using water at 0 degree Celsius because ice at 0 degree Celsius is colder than water at 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius पर ice colder होता है as comparison to water, and the reason is because Water particles have more kinetic energy in the form of latent heat. Therefore, ice is more effective in cooler. Why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? A desert cooler cools better on a hot dry day because on a hot dry day the temperature is high and the humidity is low, which help in better evaporation. Due to higher rate of evaporation, it gives better cooling. So temperature is high, humidity is low. Due to the higher rate of evaporation, it gives better cooling effect. Now, compare the properties of solid, liquid and gases. First is intermolecular forces. Solid have strong intermolecular forces. They have definite volume. The liquid have average intermolecular forces. Gases. The intermolecular forces of gases are very negligible and they have no definite volume. Liquid have definite volume. Solid, they have definite shape. Liquid, they do not have definite shape. Gases, they also do not have definite shape. The intermolecular space, the space between the molecule is known as intermolecular space. The intermolecular space between solid is absent because they are tightly bounded with each other. The intermolecular space is moderate. And the gases, the intermolecular space is freely flowing and plenty. There is very high intermolecular space in between the particles of gases. The force of attraction between the molecule is very high. In liquid, the force of attraction between the molecule is pretty moderate. There is no intermolecular forces of attraction between the molecules of gases because they are far apart from each other. Compressibility. Solids are incompressible. आप solid को compress नहीं कर सकते because they are already at closely packed and they have a strong force of attraction. They does not have any sufficient space to be compressed. So solid cannot be compressed. Liquid can be compressed much. हम liquid को थोड़ा सा compress कर सकते हैं. Gases. The gases have high compressibility because they are far apart from each other. So if we apply force, then the molecule of gases can come together. Next question. Give reason of the following. Sponge is a solid yet it can be compressed. Sponge is compressible because it is having minute pores in which air is trapped. स्पंज में छोटे छोटे माइन्यूट पोर्स होते हैं जिसके अंदर हवा भरी रहती है. On pressing the air is expelled. It is still considered as solid because it has definite volume and shape does not change unless compressed. और जैसे ही आप इसको ऊपर से एक्सटर्नल फोर्स हटाते हैं, then it again regains its original shape, and just because of its definite volume, solid sponge is considered as solid. Second question. Camphor balls disappear if kept in an open air for a few days. We know that camphor disappears if we kept in air for few days because camphor is sublime, and sublime is related to sublimation. And in sublimation, the solid directly converts from solid state to gaseous state. So अगर आप कैम्फर को कुछ टाइम के लिए बाहर रखते हैं, then it goes disappear Because camphor is sublime, it turns into gaseous state without turning into liquid state. So this is all about your questions. Thank you so much.